Hello warriors, and welcome to another episode of Fequiere Fitness TV. I am your host, Daniel Fequiere, health and fitness coach, and today I'd like to welcome you all to some upper body workouts. For any future ideas, comment below and let me know what we can perform next. Let's get started. Dance, 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 dance. Exercise 1. Chest fly push-ups. Start in a plank position with hands placed under chest and thumbs close together. Jump your hands out laterally past shoulder length and immediately perform a push-up. Jump back up, bring your hands back to starting position to finish 1 rep. Complete 50 reps. Exercise 2. Alternating staggered push-ups. Start in the plank position, stagger your hands by placing your right hand slightly forward while your left hand remains under your shoulder. Lower your body to the floor so your elbows are at 90 degrees. Raise back to starting position and jump your hand, switching your left hand is now slightly forward and your right hand is under your shoulders. Complete push-up. Continue steps until both hands complete 50 reps staggered for a total of 100 reps. Exercise 3. Reverse plank tricep dips. Sit on the floor with your legs extended in front of you. Place your palms under shoulders, hip width apart. Press into your palms and lift your hips and torso towards the ceiling. Point your toes up and keep your arms and legs straight. Lower your hips to the floor, allowing your glutes to slightly touch and press back up to starting position. Complete 50 reps. Wow guys, another tough upper body workout in the books. Hey, but good job on you because you completed it. Don't forget, for future workouts, comment below for what workouts you want us to perform next. And don't forget to grab a copy of my Fequiere Fitness ab workout book for women. Now available. Don't forget to give us a like. And dance, 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 dance.